Have you ever been elbow deep in raw chicken and wished your kitchen faucet could magically turn on without you touching anything? Well, today we're putting the Pfister Stellen touch-free pull-down kitchen faucet to the test. And trust me, this thing might just change the way you cook forever. Let's jump in. So let's talk features, because Pfister didn't hold back with the Stellen React touchless system. First up, React touchless technology. A motion sensor right at the base detects your hand within 3 inches. No more dirty hands all over the faucet. Just wave and boom, water on. Wave again, water off. Super clean, super convenient. It also includes Smart Stop, which automatically shuts the faucet off after 3 minutes if you forget to. Great for multitasking and great for saving water. You also get an open valve system with a visual indicator that tells you when touchless mode is active, plus an easy access temperature control right on top. Next, power options. It normally plugs in with the included cable, but if you don't have an outlet under your sink, Pfister sells an optional battery pack that powers the electronics for up to 2 years. Now let's talk about the sprayer head. Pfister gives you a 3-function pull-down sprayer. Spray, stream, pause. And the best part? You don't have to hold the button for spray or stream. It stays in whatever mode you choose. The handle is forward only, which means it won't hit your backsplash. And with 360-degree rotation, you can reach every corner of your sink with ease. Installation is flexible too. It includes an optional backplate with a foam gasket, no plumber's putty needed, and works with 1-hole or 3-hole setups. And for the technical folks, it's ADA compliant, meets CEC water efficiency standards, and it's CalGreen certified, saving around 20% more water than typical faucets. So here's my take. The Pfister Stellen touch-free kitchen faucet feels like the future, but without the futurist price tag. The sensor works smoothly, the Smart Stop feature is a lifesaver, and the sprayer is genuinely one of the easiest to use on the market. If you cook a lot, have kids, or just want to keep your kitchen cleaner, this faucet is absolutely worth it. It's best for homeowners who want modern convenience, reliable performance, and a cleaner cooking experience without overcomplicating installation. In short, if you're upgrading your kitchen, the Pfister Stellen deserves a spot on your shortlist. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest product breakdowns, and check out the Pfister Stellen link in the description to see today's price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.